Here, the underside of the Triton is the transmission. I reckon this bash plate is going to install on the two sump plates there, so this bash plate will come off and then use a longer bolt through there, and then essentially a flange is going to go on the other side of this one, like that. So far my O-cam bash plate has come off, so these have got slotted ends either way, and then the screws provided, which are longer, do indeed fit in these threaded bolt holes here. In order to install the bash plate, essentially I just used a jack to jack it up against the vehicle and then let off the pressure a little bit to maneuver it into place. Then I inserted the two sump bolts first and then clamped the back to the chassis. So that's fully installed. There's two bolts this side and then a steel bracket on that side, which just clamps the frame, and then the other side it uses the bash plate bolts, which has worked alright. So this bash plate should still come off to access oil without removing this, but because it's only clamped to one side, it might be better removing it all, but probably could be done. Probably still have to remove these bolts, as it won't just slide out.